They say the best thing in life is a handmade, but I think the best thing in life are handmade in pink. Are you looking for the perfect stolen from a fairy tale outfit for your first birthday, a christening, or a Tuesday morning that needs a bit more magic? Welcome to our 2026 lookbook. Today we are diving into the softest, loftiest, and most charming pink color. Baby frog designs, all crafted with all kind of love you just can't find in big box stores. Let's start with the everyday elegant something less is more. Notice the subtle texture on the blush toned A-line piece. We have used a premium milk cotton blend. It's breathable, hypoallergenic, and feels like a literal cloud against the baby skin. For my Shopify shoppers, this is our best top rated heritage bloom set. It features a simple shell stitch that catches the light beautifully and make it timeless. Heirloom pieces you will want to keep in your memory box long after they have grown out. Now, if you are planning a photo shoot or a special occasion, let's talk volume. These designs are for the little ones who are born to stand out. Look at the tired ruffles on the dusty rose pieces. They aren't just dream dresses, it's an architectural feat of yarn. We have creatively scented these with silk, satin ribbon, and hand stitched pearl buttons. On our Etsy shop, these Princess Julie alternatives are the fan favorites. Why? Because while they are looking incredibly high end, they are surprisingly durable. Yes, you can bring a princess and still lap comfortably. Every stitch is reinforced because we know babies are just as much about wiggle as they are about to wonder. The beauty of these crochet frocks is their versatility. In the springs, they stand alone as the breezy statement. In the winters, layer them over a cream colored one size and thick thighs. For those of you watching and thinking, I love this, but I wish it was a shade darker. I have a good news. Most of our designs are on Shopify for customer color matching, whether you look for a vibrant junior or a muted nuava.